Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Android Forex trading brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Android Forex trading brokers are financial institutions or platforms that offer Forex trading services via Android-compatible mobile applications. These brokers provide traders with access to global currency markets, enabling them to buy and sell currency pairs directly from their Android devices. Equipped with features like real-time market analysis, advanced charting tools, one-click trading, and secure transactions, these applications make trading convenient and efficient. Traders who are searching for some of the best Android Forex trading brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Android Forex trading brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have IC Markets. IC Markets stands as a renowned financial institution committed to providing cutting-edge trading solutions for a diverse clientele. With a solid foundation in the financial markets, IC Markets has established itself as a leading broker, offering a wide array of trading instruments and services. Their global presence ensures accessibility for traders worldwide, while their commitment to innovation and transparency sets them apart in the dynamic world of online trading. IC Markets offers a diverse and comprehensive range of trading instruments, catering to the varied needs of traders in the global financial markets. Traders can access a wide spectrum of assets, including Forex currency pairs, commodity CFDs, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. The broker ensures that their trading instruments incorporate the latest financial products, and the platform's versatility allows traders to explore and capitalize on various market movements, making IC Markets a preferred choice for those seeking a robust and dynamic trading experience across multiple asset classes. IC Markets provides trading platforms which are designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from beginners to experienced professionals. And these platforms are namely the IC Markets proprietary trading platform, MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5, as well as CTrader, with social trading functionality and a diverse range of tools. Their trading platforms are designed to cater to the diverse trading preferences and styles of their clientele, solidifying their position as a leading provider in the online trading industry. As a globally recognized broker, IC Markets offers a versatile array of trading account types to cater to the distinctive preferences of traders around the world. These include the raw spread, standard, and Islamic accounts, with demo account options. With these diverse account options, IC Markets ensures that traders have the flexibility to choose an account that aligns with their individual trading preferences and strategies. Whether prioritizing tight spreads, commission-free trading, or the innovative capabilities of CTrader, IC Markets aims to empower traders with tailored solutions for a dynamic trading journey. The broker also recognizes the importance of education in empowering traders to make better informed decisions. And the platform offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources to enhance the trading knowledge and skills of its users. Traders can access a variety of educational material, including video tutorials, articles, webinars, and market analysis, all aimed at enhancing their understanding of the financial markets. Overall, IC Markets stands as a preeminent global broker committed to providing a cutting-edge and inclusive trading experience. With a robust range of trading instruments, versatile platforms, and diverse account types, IC Markets caters to the unique preferences and needs of traders worldwide. They continue to set industry standards, offering a gateway to the world of online trading with sophistication and reliability. At number 4 on our list is RoboForex. RoboForex is a leading online brokerage firm renowned for its innovative and comprehensive financial services. With a global presence and a strong commitment to providing traders and investors with cutting-edge tools and resources, they empower individuals to navigate the financial markets with confidence and competence. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to the needs of traders and investors. In addition to the standard Forex offerings, RoboForex provides access to a wide variety of other assets, including commodities, global stock indices, cryptocurrencies, and more. RoboForex's trading instruments offers a gateway to a world of trading possibilities. They provide enticing promotions designed to enhance the trading experience for their clients. With a commitment to delivering added value, RoboForex regularly offers a variety of promotions that may include bonuses, cashback rewards, and other exclusive incentives. These promotions serve to provide traders with additional trading capital and advantages, helping them make the most of their investment strategies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the proprietary R Mobile, R Stocks, and R Web traders. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading account types, tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of traders, whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. RoboForex has an account option for you. Their lineup includes Prime, ECN, R Stocks Trader, Pro Cent, Pro, as well as Demo and Islamic account options, which are each designed to provide unique trading conditions and advantages. RoboForex is committed to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources. Their comprehensive collection includes webinars, video tutorials, articles, and more, all designed to enhance knowledge and skills. Whether you're a novice looking to learn the basics of trading or an experienced trader seeking advanced strategies, their educational resources cater to all skill levels. By offering these educational tools, RoboForex equips traders with the knowledge and insights needed to make informed decisions and succeed in the world of online trading. Coming in at number 3, we have Forex.com. Forex.com, a prominent online Forex trading platform, offers a wide array of tools and resources tailored to suit traders of all levels of experience. With a user-friendly interface and advanced trading technology, Forex.com provides access to a diverse range of currency pairs and competitive pricing. Whether users are seeking to diversify their investment portfolio or engage in speculative trading, Forex.com remains a trusted destination for navigating the dynamic world of Forex trading. Forex.com offers a comprehensive range of market instruments designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from major, minor, and exotic Forex currency pairs to indices, stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, as well as gold and silver. Forex.com provides access to a wide spectrum of trading opportunities. Traders can capitalize on global market movements with precision and flexibility, utilizing advanced trading tools and resources available on the platform. With competitive pricing and reliable execution, Forex.com ensures that traders have the tools they need to navigate the financial markets effectively. Forex.com offers a selection of advanced trading platforms designed to meet the diverse needs of traders, providing seamless access to global financial markets. Their platforms include the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, the Forex.com proprietary web and mobile platforms, as well as the TradingView trading platform. With a variety of trading platforms to choose from, Forex.com caters to traders of all levels of expertise and preferences. Forex.com offers a variety of trading account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders, ensuring a personalized trading experience. These account types include the standard, MetaTrader, and raw trading accounts, along with demo and Islamic account options. The broker provides options to suit every trading style. With a range of account options and features, Forex.com empowers traders to tailor their trading experience to their specific preferences and goals. Forex.com offers a wealth of educational resources designed to empower traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the financial markets. From comprehensive educational articles and tutorials covering fundamental concepts to advanced trading strategies, Forex.com provides valuable insights for traders of all levels. Additionally, the platform offers live webinars and seminars conducted by industry experts, offering real-time market analysis and trading insights. Traders can also access a wide range of trading tools and resources, including market analysis, economic calendars, and trading calculators, to enhance their trading decisions. Overall, Forex.com stands as a premier destination for traders seeking access to the dynamic world of Forex trading. With its comprehensive range of market instruments, diverse selection of trading account types, advanced trading platforms, and wealth of educational resources, Forex.com is dedicated to empowering traders of all levels to achieve their financial goals. Whether traders are looking to diversify their investment portfolios, engage in speculative trading, or enhance their trading skills, Forex.com remains a trusted partner in navigating the global financial markets. At number 2 on our list is IQ Option. IQ Option is a leading online trading platform that provides users with the opportunity to engage in a wide range of financial markets. With a user-friendly interface and a wealth of educational resources, IQ Option empowers traders to access and trade various assets. The platform offers a versatile trading experience, combining simplicity with advanced tools to cater to both beginners and experienced traders. As a result, IQ Option has earned a reputation as a trusted and innovative choice for those seeking to explore the world of online trading. IQ Option offers a diverse array of trading instruments for individuals looking to explore financial markets. Their wide range of instruments includes stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, commodities, and options. This platform empowers traders to access and trade these assets seamlessly, providing a comprehensive trading experience. IQ Option offers a tailored proprietary trading platform, which provides traders with a range of cutting-edge tools designed to cater to different preferences and needs. This platform is available as a user-friendly web platform, a desktop application, and a mobile trading application for on-the-go trading. IQ Option's trading platform offers an array of analytical tools, indicators, and a seamless trading experience across various financial markets. Accounts are offered on a standard real account, a VIP account, with demo and Islamic account options. Their array of accounts ensures that traders can choose the one that best suits their trading objectives and experience level. IQ Option offers an extensive array of educational resources designed to empower traders with knowledge and skills. These resources include interactive tutorials, video lessons, webinars, and articles covering various aspects of trading. From basic concepts to advanced strategies, IQ Option's educational material caters to traders of all levels of expertise. Whether you're a beginner aiming to grasp the fundamentals or an experienced trader seeking to refine your techniques, these resources offer valuable insights. Additionally, the platform's demo account allows users to practice strategies in a risk-free trading environment, enhancing the learning experience. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Android Forex trading brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade, a leading online trading platform, provides individuals and institutions with access to a diverse range of financial markets. The broker offers a user-friendly interface and cutting-edge trading tools to empower traders of all levels. Whether you are interested in Forex, commodities, stocks, or cryptocurrencies, their platform is designed to meet the diverse needs of the modern investor. With a reputation for reliability and transparency, Avatrade strives to deliver a seamless trading experience, supported by educational resources and responsive customer service. Avatrade offers a variety of market instruments to trade, catering to the various needs of its clients. These include Forex currency pairs, commodities, Forex options, crypto CFDs, indices, ETFs, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade Options, Avatrade's Web Trader, as well as automated trading through DupliTrade and ZuluTrade. With a selection of versatile and robust trading platforms, Avatrade empowers its users to trade with confidence. Accounts are available on retail, multi-account manager, and professional accounts, with demo and Islamic account options. Avatrade's account types are structured to provide flexibility and customization, ensuring that traders of varying levels of expertise can find an account that aligns with their trading goals. The broker is dedicated to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources as well, recognizing the importance of knowledge in successful trading. Avatrade provides a comprehensive range of educational materials suitable for traders of all levels. The platform offers informative articles, video tutorials, and webinars covering various aspects of trading, from fundamental concepts to advanced strategies. These resources are designed to enhance traders' understanding of the financial markets. Overall, Avatrade stands as a premier online trading platform, committed to providing a holistic and empowering experience for traders around the world. With a diverse range of trading instruments, user-friendly platforms, and flexible account options, Avatrade caters to the needs of both novice and experienced traders. Backed by transparency, reliability, and innovation, Avatrade invites users to explore the world of online trading with confidence. Whether you are looking to diversify your portfolio, engage in Forex trading, or delve into the exciting realm of cryptocurrencies, Avatrade offers a robust platform for traders to navigate and capitalize on global market opportunities. And those are some of the top 5 best Android Forex trading brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.